Hello, I'm Mark Richmond from Chef Knives to Go, and this is Knife Sharpening for Newbies, lesson number 14, how to do a minor tip repair. In front of me I have a plate that's probably familiar to you if you've been watching some of the other series. This is a DMT extra coarse plate, and we're going to use that to do most of the metal removal to get our tip back together. It's kind of hard to see the broken tip on my knife that I'm going to be using, but I have a little paper illustration here of what a tip repair should look like and how to approach fixing it. You'll notice here that you want to take off the black mark here, and I definitely recommend that you take a magic marker and start it right at the end of the tip and kind of blend in a kind of a curved angle that you like, and then you're going to remove that black part of the illustration here with the sharpening plate. So here's my knife, and you can probably, I hope you can see that I've already put a mark on the top of the spine where we're going to remove some of the material and blend it back down to the edge. And the way you do that with the plate is just put the back of the knife, the spine part, on the plate, and then just start moving it back and forth and kind of rock the knife a little bit back and forth so that you're getting that curved motion grinding the edge. And you need to check this fairly frequently to make sure you're getting the black mark. And as you get closer to the edge, if you're using a very like this extra coarse, that's very coarse, I would recommend that you run the knife backwards, not forward, as you get closer, because you can run into the issue when you get to the final part of the tip you'd break it off again. So what I typically will do is I'll use this right until I get close, and then I'll use a finer stone, usually on the side, something like this. This is a 600 grit stone, and I'll finish it with something like this to make sure I don't re-tip it as I'm getting to the end. So just take your time with this. Obviously this is going to take a little while, maybe 5-10 minutes, depending on how fast and how hard you go. And just keep working it down until you get rid of all of that black mark that you put on there and you're back to a pointy tip. I'm Mark Richmond. Stay sharp.